So this is the parcel I have received today, that is supposedly laptop motherboard and touchpad, and maybe there is something else in it. The tracking number is ACP 007312111PK, and this Juan Liu is the shipper. You can see the details. So I'm going to open this up, so let me get my knife. So let me zoom out a little bit, so let me cut it and find out what's inside. So as you can see, this is the original tracking number was LP 00645326639722. I think it is managed internally, and the international tracking number was CNG 00645326639722. It is the original tracking number that is assigned, which is later changed by AliExpress. So I'm going to open this now. So as you can see, it is packed, right? It is packed, and this is some number over here. I don't know. Yeah, I think it is the some kind of number, and this is the address to me. So let's open it. There's some item number here too. I don't know whether it belongs to my order, but it is just a box that they have reused. So I'm just going to open this. So hard to unpack. Oops. Okay, so here we are. So let's check what's inside this. There is this fan. Okay, so I'll check whether this is the correct fan or not. This is the part number of the fan. What is this? I don't know what is this. These are the speakers for 15BL. I can recognize them by shape. What is this? Touchpad. I think this is the touchpad. I hope the flex cable is not damaged or anything. Yep, this is the touchpad. TM 3270. 327000. Good. And what else is here? There is no motherboard in it. What is this? This is the card reader for 15BL. This is the heat sink, right? Heat sink. And this is the back cover. There is no motherboard in it, so this box is empty. I don't know whether motherboard was supposed to be in it or not. I'll have to check the order again. Says laptop motherboard touchpad, but motherboard is not inside. Maybe motherboard is part of a different order, I don't know. So this is what I've got, so I'll look for mother parcels now. That's all. Thank you.